It's time to replace our LP leak detector. Ours has been bad. I should say ours has been going off, turning alarming, maybe once or twice a month over the span of the past few years. But over the past few months, it's gotten worse and worse to finally I reached a point where I just pulled the breaker so it stopped going off. Because we don't smell propane in here. So I got to replace it from Amazon. So today, let's replace it. Looking down in here, we've got the connection here. The red wire came loose. This guy is loose. You see it? Yeah. So, I'm guessing it must have gone in here. Well, here's the brand new one. It looks an awful lot like the old one. Come on. Tell you. Nothing is easy. So these are crimped in place. Well, that one wasn't. That was a loose crimp.
Maybe that's why the red one came loose and it quit working.
The expiration date on the old one, or not the expiration date, the date of manufacture was December of 2019. So these are supposed to be good for 5 years. This one, October 2022. So I think the general gist is if you've got 5 years after the date, you just need to automatically throw it out. But these are supposed to start alarming when they get close to end of life. So I don't know, ours wasn't close to end of life for me to tell you if that works or not. Don't have any wire nuts, so got electrical tape. I'll put these together with electrical tape today, and then when I find some wire nuts, probably in our storage unit, I'll go ahead and put a wire nut on top. No big deal. So we got the connections made for the new propane detector. So now I'm going to screw the new one back into the frame here. There will be those who watch our video and say, hey, you're an idiot, not have a propane detector. And in a perfect world, I agree with you. We should always have a propane detector. But reality is we're on the move a lot. So I bought this, it was quite a while ago, 6 months maybe. It's been quite a while since we bought it. This is just the first time I've taken the time to make it happen.
That doesn't mean we haven't used our propane sensor for 6 months.
Yeah. We are cold sleepers, so we generally sleep with windows open. So I haven't been really that worried about us gassing ourselves out from propane. But don't do as we do. Be a safe person
and if we do, at
least
we won't live old enough to get dementia.
This is true. If it turns out it was a terrible idea, we'll never know.
That's right.
Yeah.
Well,
but I guess you would, because our videos would just stop coming.
It's fixed now.
Boy, Steve and Noel, they don't talk much anymore.
After the guys asphyxiated in their sleep.
One fuse that I was keeping with our silverware. Or easy for me to find it again. Oh God, leg cramp.
Oh, are you okay?
Oh no, I hit my ass.
Oh no, love.
Ow, fuck. Jeez Louise. Hit my elbow too.
Oh my goodness.
On a shingle.
But it was a little funny.
Yeah, was it?
For me. A little funny.
Yeah, I noticed you didn't even waver with the camera.
No.
Boy, good camera work, Noel.
Well, I didn't get all of it.
Ow.
But
sunny beaches. It's gonna leave a bruise. Can't believe I just turtled. All right.
That was quite a leg cramp.
What was that?
That's quite a leg cramp. It looks pretty messy in here right now.
All right. There we go. I see flashing green. Red, green. Let's just test it. Okay. What does flashing mean? Full or low voltage. Green on. All right, let's find out why the green light's flashing. Well, the installation directions don't tell us what flashing green means, but the flashing green went away and was replaced by a solid green. So,
It's just setting up probably.
yeah, solid green is good. And luckily I didn't realize it until I was looking at the instructions. They gave us a brand new sticker to replace the one that I had just peeled off that was looking kind of rough. So I'll put the new sticker on that tells us we need to test it once a week and replace it after 5 years. Luckily, you are along with us for the ride when we put on the new sticker, so aren't you special? But that's it. I mean, that was pretty easy. Like screwdriver scale, other than me turtling, I'd give this like a 1. Really, really easy project. It's been about 6 months since we replaced the LP leak detector, and the error problem has gone away. So we no longer have that annoying random leak detector. So this is good. We think this problem is put to bed. Hey, thanks for watching. Do us a favor. Would you hit subscribe and like and maybe leave a comment? We'll see you next time. So I checked underneath the sink where I keep this little guy, and I could see seemed like there was almost like this was filled with a little bit of fluid, which kind of surprised me.